Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I want to go over our 9th grade Language Arts Author's Purpose project with you. We're going to be looking at the rubric and how your project will be graded. Let's start off with the fact that this project is worth 50 points and it is divided up as so. The first two sections, the max number of points that they are worth are 15 points, which is for your ideas and explanation related to the stories, and your organization and project directions. So, in order to achieve the full credit of 15 points, articles contain a clear and complex narrative. At least 3 of its ideas and explanations are insightful, thorough, convincing, varied in strategy, and strongly supported by compelling evidence. That would be for full credit for ideas and explanation related to stories. For organization, articles have a clear introduction and body conclusion with topic sentences. Articles use appropriate transitions between and within paragraphs for consistently clear, smooth, and logical relations among ideas. Points vary depending upon how these two categories are executed. This includes a 13-point category, a 10-point category, a 5-point category, and a 0-point category. The hope is that everybody achieves the 15-point category for those two areas. Let's talk about grammar, mechanics, and MLA format. This category has a high score of 10 points, which means that errors are rare or absent. There are also an 8-point category, a 5-point category, a 3-point category, and a 0-point category. 8 being that errors are occasional, 5 points being that errors are frequent, 3 points being that errors exist in almost every sentence, and 0 meaning that errors are so common that it's practically impossible to understand the articles. Our last two categories are style and cleanliness, and class time and collaboration. These are 5-point categories with a top max of 5 points. For style and cleanliness, it is a pleasure to read. It is graceful, uncluttered, rich, vivid, and uses rhetorical and stylistic devices to support the writer's advantage. Alrighty, and that is worth 5 points at max, and then has a 3-point, a 2-point, a 1-point, and a 0-point category. I'm not going to read every category breakdown individually. I would recommend that you pause the video and read over them. For class time and collaboration, the max is 5 points, and to achieve the 5 points, students use class time effectively and check that they are staying on schedule based upon the teacher's daily checklist. And that's how you achieve the maximum 5 points. As you know, at the bottom of the directions, it does say that 2 days prior to the due date for your project, I will be checking your rough draft. That goes into your class time and collaboration. Every day I'll be checking to make sure that you are meeting the checklist that we have assigned for your project, but I will also be checking it for that 2-day prior rough draft check. Alrighty guys, that is our rubric and how your project will be graded. Remember, this is a 50-point project, so please make sure you are diligent in following the steps in completing the project to achieve a successful grade. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.